Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Kitchen Depot. Today, we're taking a look at the H2O Mobile Spotless Car Wash System and Deionizer. This product promises a spotless rinse and work-saving, wipe-free experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The H2O Mobile Spotless is a portable deionizer system that removes minerals and impurities from your tap water. This supposedly eliminates water spots, leaving your car with a sparkling, streak-free finish. It features a convenient handle for carrying and is designed to be compatible with a quality light not included, which helps indicate when the resin needs replacing. Setting up the H2O Mobile Spotless is straightforward. It connects to your standard garden hose and requires no additional plumbing. The handle makes it easy to move around your car during the rinsing process. Now, the key question: does it deliver on its promise of a spotless rinse? In my experience, it does reduce water spots to a significant degree, especially compared to using untreated tap water. However, it's important to note that it doesn't completely eliminate them, particularly in areas with very hard water. Pros: easy to set up and use, reduces water spots significantly, portable and convenient, requires no additional plumbing. Cons: doesn't completely eliminate water spots, especially in hard water areas. Replacement resin needs to be purchased separately. Quality light indicator for resin replacement is not included. Overall, the H2O Mobile Spotless Car Wash System and Deionizer is a good option for those who want to reduce water spots and achieve a cleaner, shinier car finish. However, it's important to manage your expectations. It's not a miracle cure for water spots, and you might still need to do some light towel drying in areas with very hard water. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use way to minimize water spots, the H2O Mobile Spotless is worth considering. But remember, it won't guarantee a completely spotless finish, especially in challenging water conditions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the H2O Mobile Spotless or your own car washing experiences, leave a comment below and let's chat.